Hello everybody, Canadian Gamer here. I am here to help you learn how to use a Discord bot known as UnbelievaBoat. UnbelievaBoat is very useful in creating an economy, and you can give roles certain incomes. So, I'm here to teach you how to create a role, and how to give it an income, and how to make it cost stuff, and how to set it up in the shop. So, a while ago, somebody won a giveaway, and they decided to make the role cost 400 million, and the income is going to be something random, and they want to call it minion. So you're going to go into server settings, go into roles, and then add a new role. You're going to call this role whatever you want it to be called. This person wants it to be minion, so you can set it to be whatever color you want. I think minion suits yellow. And you want to make it so that anyone can mention the role. This just makes it easier to use and all around best option to have. And you don't want to activate any of these that aren't good for your server. I think all the natural things are okay, because honestly none of these allow you to change the server in that many ways. Other than sending messages, of course. Anyways, so now you're going to save these changes, which may take a bit, and then you're going to exit out. Now that you've created the role, you're going to need to implement it. So you're going to go to whatever bot commands channel you have, and you're going to do ..create item, and then this hyphen is important, don't forget it. Otherwise it's going to be bad, and you're just going to be mad at yourself. So create item, and then here you're going to put your name. This area you need to put the name of it here, otherwise it's just going to cause errors. So now that you have that, you're going to enter it in. And so you'll be given this screen. Item info, name, minion, price 0. We want to change that to 400 billion because of the giveaway. And you can give it a description, you can show it in inventory, you can cause it to give a role, which is what we're going to do, as well as change the price, time remaining. All this stuff is just to make it specific. So now, edit item. So first, you are going to enter in what you want to edit. This can have name, this can have price, this can have description, this can have inventory, this can have role, this can have stock, and it can have time. So you want to do price first. This is the most important thing. So they wanted 400 million, 400 billion, so 400 000 000 000 000. Yay! So now it's gonna. Oh, okay. I screwed up. So instead of that, you're gonna put the name of the item beforehand. So since the item is called minion, you're gonna do minion. So there you go. Minion now costs 400 billion. So now if you do item info minion, you can see it has 400 billion price and nothing else, because this currently is boring, so we might want to change that. So we'll do edit item. So next you're probably going to want to edit the role, as that's the most important part. So you gotta again type the role before, or the item name beforehand, and then you want to type in the role itself. This is why you need to mention it, because otherwise you would probably have a bunch of errors and it would just be difficult to do. So I'd recommend you have the ability for it to be mentioned. So now, item role to minion. Now, edit item description. And then you're going to do minion again. And then now is the fun part. You get to create the description to be anything you want it to be. so that it shows up in shop in that way. So you can do something fun like, this thing loves bananas. I honestly don't know, but we'll roll with that. Actually, we could do something a bit better, because this thing has emoji support. Woohoo! So if we can find a banana, we can put bananas. There we go. So you can do as many emojis as you want. You can even do custom emojis. So now you have item info minion. You have a price, you have a description, you have it so that it shows an inventory, whatever. So now you can see minion is appearing in the shop. This thing loves bananas. Now we gotta add a role income to this. So you can come up with any role income, but you gotta first do ... role income add at minion, and then the price of it, or the income that you want to give. So this is going to be the amount of money that you put in here. So since it's 400 billion, I would say we do like 30 billion per 1 hour. So this area is where you put the thing, how long you want it to take. The lowest you can do is 15 minutes, and I don't know if there's any limit. So you want to do the interval of which you want it to go in. So for example, 1 hour. So this will give 30 billion every hour. So now we have it so that it's perfectly set up. But what if we want to make it so that it has a certain stock? ... edit item stock minion, and then however many you want there to be. So there can be 10 stock for the minion role. Now, this is something that not many people know, but you can also do edit item reply minion, and then this will be the reply you get whenever you actually activate the item, which will give you this reply. So, you now love bananas in the same way a minion would. So now whenever you use it, it'll say you now love bananas the same way a minion would. So that's creating the role done. Easy as that. If you want to do anything else, there is a very helpful thing right here. It's literally one of the first things you'll get up if you search up UnbelievaBoat commands. https://unbelievable.pizza/commands. It has, the best things to learn how to do this. So you can have role and command list, everything like that. You can learn how to set cooldowns. It is probably the best thing. So adding roles, you can see right here. You can have it so that they can have an auto role, a self role that can be self-assigned. Auto role means that you have the ability to get that role as soon as you join. Or wait, I had to remove the role auto role. And then join role allows you to join a role that is self role. Leave role, you can leave the role that you join, and then you can get the ID of a role. So you're probably going to want to do items. So create item, edit item. You can do reply, stock, duration, role, inventory, description, price, and name. Also, I said time earlier, it's description. And infinity is for no limit. All this is amazing. You have all the options you need right there.